Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best STEM engineering toy set gears and pulleys, the Engino STEM Toys Pulley Drives Building Set, designed especially for kids aged 9 and up. If you're looking for an educational toy that delivers hands-on learning, creativity, and engineering fun all in one box, stay tuned. We'll break down what's inside, how it works, and why this might be the perfect STEM gift. Let's begin with what you get in the set. This isn't just a simple toy. It's a complete STEM engineering kit that allows your child to build 8 different working models. These include a material lift, construction crane, stationary bike, and other pulley-driven machines that introduce real mechanical principles in a way that's fun and approachable. The components are high quality, made in Europe, and engineered to fit together with precision. Everything is modular, reusable, and crafted with learning in mind. One of the best features of this kit is the balance between play and education. It includes a 10-page booklet packed with theory, facts, and fun experiments to deepen kids' understanding of physics concepts like force, friction, and motion. There's also a 2-page quiz section to test what they've learned along the way. Whether your child is a budding engineer or just loves building things, this kit promotes hands-on discovery with real educational value. It aligns perfectly with STEM curricula and enhances problem-solving skills, spatial awareness, and logical thinking. Here's where things get really cool. The Engino Pulley Drives kit integrates with an interactive 3D app. Using the app, kids can view detailed assembly instructions, rotate the models in virtual space, and better understand how each part fits into the bigger picture. It's a modern take on model building that adds a layer of immersion and excitement. No more flat instruction sheets. This is next-level building that engages visual and digital learners alike. This set is ideal for kids aged 9 and above, but let's be honest, even curious adults will find this fascinating. Whether it's for a birthday gift, homeschool project, or just to encourage a love of engineering, this kit is built for thinkers and tinkerers. It's also been recognized globally, selected as one of the top 21 STEM toys that inspire young engineers. That's a serious endorsement for a toy that's as fun as it is functional. To sum it up, the Engino STEM Pulley Drives Building Set is more than just a toy. It's a learning experience packed into a creative, hands-on toolkit. With 8 build options, real mechanical applications, a solid educational guide, and interactive 3D support, it's an outstanding choice for young minds ready to explore the world of engineering. If you're ready to invest in a toy that fuels curiosity and supports STEM learning, this could be the set you've been looking for. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we break down the best gear to make smarter buying choices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews and deep dives. See you in the next one.